Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about crypto platform trading. It's called Zignaly. It's supporting multi-platform. It's supporting Binance. In the future, it will support Bittrex and BitMEX and KuCoin and Polynex. It has many features. It has a crypto signal. Also a limited coin. You can connect it to TradingView. It has trailing stop loss. It's a cloud base and it's totally safe and secure. Other feature, all coin allowed. It's accepting multi-target. It has DCA. It has rebuy strategy option. Get a sell signal and automated close. Also, you can link it to TradingView direct. Now it's the time. Let me introduce you to the team. We have the CEO, and we have the CMO, and we have the advisor. Let me introduce you to their position. They have more than 340,000 position, more than 1,000 BTC. It's equal for plus 43 million. What else we have to explain now? Let's have a look on their. Let's go inside. Free trial. Here you have to put your name, email, and your password, and you have to agree and create account. After you create account, we will go for login. After you log in, you'll put your email and your password. We have the trading terminal and we have the dashboard. Here you can monitor your trading, and we have the setting. From here you have to bring your Binance API key and API secret key, and you put it here. Here you can make a global setting. You can specify the maximum position and the minimum volume, and you can put the volume per market, and you can make blacklist, which you don't want to trade on which currency, and you have the whitelist. And we have avoid open position for delist coin. This is the global setting, and we have the profile. Here you can change your password, and we have here Google authentication, and here we got the section for notification. For email, it can send for you the update for opening position, close position, and we have here the membership. This is the price. It's almost $16 per month. You can pay through Visa or through coin payment. Let's calculate how much it will cost us for the year. 16. We have 192. Almost you will save $40 if you subscribe for one year. And we have also we can pay one time, lifetime. They will give you priority for support and that you are believing in them. Let's go inside the bot. You will go for trading terminal. Here you can specify which coin you want to trade. Here you can, let's say, specify Quantum or DNT over Ethereum or over BTC. And now let's select the Nano. We have also the base currency BNB, Ethereum, BTC, and USD. Reason I don't have balance on Nano BTC, because all my volume it is based on BNB. We will go to select the BNB Nano based on BNB. My mistake. Now we select the Nano over BNB. Here you specify the position amount, and here you put the take profit, 1%, I want in the first 1% I want to sell all the position what I am holding. It's 1%, and here you can put the DCA, and we will put it 20. When it's reached 20, I want to buy 100% from my original position, and here you can split your target. On the first 1% I want to sell the 50, and the first 2% I want to sell the other 50, and here you can specify the stop loss. You can activate it and disactivate it. Here the trailing stop, most of the people, they know what it's meaning. We'll make it 3% over the distance, 6%, or we can make it 6% over 3%. It will keep us on profit. And here we will see the expiration, and here when it's reached this hour it will close our position. We'll make it 12. All this option you can activate it through the signal. Once we click on open position, you can review the setting and the status for this position. It's still opening. We select limit market. Here we'll go for the dashboard. Over the dashboard you can see the status. Is it buy or not? Is it still the order, it has been executed over Binance or not? If it's not yet executed, we can do other thing. For this example, we'll go for cancel this position and open a market position which indicate for us for live trading. I want to demonstrate how we can live trading. We'll go again for the terminal. And here I just select BNB and the status for it, I bought then. It's market. I put the, if I get profit 1%, it will sell the 100. You can see the, analyze the chart, and you see your support and your resistance, and you can make the DCA. You can also split the DCA, and it's applied, and just you can make it whatever you want. Just we are doing it for fun. After we doing all the things, we can also change it in the future. Let's say I have in right now 3 DCA. I want to turn it off. We can turn it off. You can see it here in the terminal, and here we have the analytic. Here we can see the performance of your position and the provider. Let's go for balance. Here you will see the history balance of your position, of your wallet, either in BNB or in BACS or Ethereum, how much it's costing, how much you have inside. Now let's have a look about of the provider. 90% of the provider, they are, you have to pay for them, but we create Zignaly provider. It's totally for free. We are working for our group and our committee, and we want to share with you the profit. Our provider called Blockchain Sparrow. You'll find it in the here. You can read the paragraph. It's totally for free. Our strategy is like to trade like a casino. We have 2 rules. The casino never lose, and smart, and he always go in a smart entry point. I will leave you with this paragraph. Hope you enjoyed. We are a group of people. We played together and we are in profit. Let's see our website. In this website you will got idea about the team. Just hold on for a moment. About the team, this team, he can change your vision to blockchain. They can send signal, and also they have a consultant. We have the team here called the Professor, and we have Superman, we have Nile Crypto, we have Golden Coin. The team, he has PhD also in robot and AI. Superman, he is one of the best analysts of the world. We have also Crypto Man, he's one of software engineer. Our committee, it is 2500. We have 5 partners. You can contact us anytime. And let's go for the signal. This is the most important part. Since 2018, you will see who we are, why we are, and where we are. We will not talk about in this detail. The most important thing is what? You can go for our website and you can see the live trading signal. Here our AI, it generates, let's say, on Wave and on Zell over BNB. We have several signs, which is we send it to over Zignaly, and our customer, they are enjoying their profit right now. We are automate their lifestyle. We have also, will go for the setting. You have to enable the true, accept stop lose, and accept trial stop, accept sell signal, and accept panic sell, accept buy market, accept for this, accept take a profit from the signal, and accept the DCA. All this recommended. And we have the other part, the setting. You have to connect the bot with us, with our Binance account. Once we have done this step, we have to go for the second step, and we have to analyze we have to put the setting. We have this first you have to be sure to read this exactly. We have to make the DCA 8%, 100, and 12%, 100, and the max of concurrentization between 10 over 25. Here you specify the position size per BNB, how you want it. You want it per percent or as a value. And here we have to write, where is it, the take a profit, and here you can specify your own DCA. We'll make it 8 and 12, 100 and 100. It is the same amount of the original trading, and here you'll put the maximum position. I'll make it 15, and I don't want to take the profit from the signal. Here we can specify your own take profit strategy. You can see it all. It's depending on what is your setting. Here also we can specify the position size for BNB and for Ethereum. And this is the most important thing. After we finish all these settings and we review it, we have to save it. After that, here you will find the status of our provider, Blockchain Sparrow. Here you can compare this provider with other provider on Zignaly. You can see right now we have over, I think, 30 provider over Zignaly. For the last 24 hours, we came in the 5th place of the Zignaly. We already make 100%, 1% profit for our customer, which is in daily base. We are achieving at least 100 in the bear market. You can see here our open position. That's it right now, and I think you can enjoy. Now this is what we have for this boot. Here we have the terminal. I hope you enjoy the overview of this boot, and hope you subscribe with us, and we'll make other video for more detail. I want you to check this provider and check who's the best for you, and have a nice day. Thank you very much for joining us for this video. Please subscribe with our channel, and don't forget to smash the like and enjoy in your day. Thank you very much.